Departemen Luar Negeri Amerika Serikat pada hari Selasa 21 Juni 2022 mengkonfirmasi kematian seorang warga negara Amerika di Ukraina yang disebut meninggal pada pertengahan Mei saat membantu Ukraina dalam perang di sana. Ia adalah Stephen Sabielski, 52 tahun. Dikutip CNN, berita kematiannya diterbitkan pada 1 Juni di The Recorder, sebuah surat kabar di negara bagian New York yang mengatakan Sabielski meninggal pada hari Minggu 15 Mei 2022 saat berperang di desa Dorosinya, Ukraina. Diplo Amerika Serikat mengatakan telah menghubungi keluarganya dan memberikan bantuan konsuler. Pernyataan juru bicara itu mengulangi peringatan sebelumnya bahwa warga Amerika Serikat tidak boleh melakukan perjalanan ke Ukraina sebab mereka akan menjadi target dari pasukan Rusia. Pemerintah juga memperingatkan bahwa setiap warga negara Amerika Serikat di Ukraina harus segera meninggalkan negara itu.
Any commercial or other privately available transportation means. We understand certainly that there are Americans across this country, millions of Americans across this country who feel motivated to support the righteous and the noble cause of the Ukrainian people. There are ways to do that that work to the direct benefit of the Ukrainian people, ways that are safe, ways that are helpful and constructive. We have many of those ways on our website. We have no additional details beyond what's been reported in the media, including by some of your own media organizations. As I said, we've been in direct contact with Russian authorities. We have not been provided either by Russian authorities or by Russian proxy forces or any other entity with additional details of the whereabouts of these Americans. We are pursuing every channel, every opportunity we have to learn more and to support their families, especially in this difficult hour. Yes, my understanding is that we learned of this individual's death several weeks ago. It is not our standard procedures to formally announce when an American has been killed, but my understanding is that we learned of it before June 1st.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.